它红胶跟网格是同一个。
The net is actually manually stitched during installation.
Ito sir yung luma niya. How many years was she able to
像这
use
个
it?
是已经几年了
这个这个6年还7年吧。
？7 years，
7 years niya rin.
7 years then.
这还可以用。
So gagana pa rin yung sand.
还可以去钓鱼。
没有，我还会再用，因为我如果不够，我没有钱买这个的话，我就用这个。
She's going to use this. If she ran out of funds, she would use this.
So magagamit pa.
Ito.
Yan yung mga gamot.
Ito yung mga inputs.
前2个礼拜分的药。这个就是刚刚谁说那个什么真菌的那个，这就是我的菌药。
Fungicide niya.
Patingin.
哎，
Child picturean mo.
Okay.
然后这个也是菌药，因为木瓜
什么药？
FMC.
都是在那个杀那个真菌啊、细菌啊、霉菌，就是这2个。然后这个
For
是虫药，
fungus and bacteria.
是
This
杀
one and
虫
this
的
one.
Yeah.
2支虫药，2支菌药。这个
你这个都要丢掉了嘛？
还要丢掉
我。们拿回
Ayun,
去
sir.
好了。
Ito, Child.
可是这个
Uwi
没
na
有，
daw natin.
我拿新的给你，
Oh, pwede
这个
ba?
没有，
Oh,
这个没有那个。
tatapon na niya.
这个
Ah,
没有
teka,
封
hintay.
面的。
Uwi na natin.
Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Asan yung gamot para doon sa
很
sugat?
多朋友都只用1支而已。
连这个袋子也可以拿吗？
这个是肥料的袋子。
May ibang basura eh.
Oh,
This is
还有
the
吗？还有一个吗？
This is the fertilizer.
这个是肥料嘛？
对，
15.
你看15
15,
然后这个还有
15,
这个还有芽孢杆菌。
The composition 15,
15, 15,
对
15,
对对对。
这个袋子给我们拿回去好了。
我干净的，我给你。
Meron daw malinis, ibibigay niya sa
Ah,
atin.
okay. Okay.
Hindi, pero yan kunin na natin.
Tanong mo sir, meron
Dito,
ba
ang
dito
hone
para
na.
sa gamot sa pag sinugatan niya? Nandito
Asan yung gamot ng
那个
sugat?
伤口的呢？要，
伤口的吗？伤口的，可是伤口我只有在雨季才喷呢。
所以现在没有。
没有。
Wala siya ngayon.
我刚刚给他看过
Ah,
了。
kasi during rainy days saka ginagamit.
伤
eh.
口这个啦。
Oh, gold
这个啦，因为它因为这是我雨季弄剩下的啦，它有沾到水了。没有，这个这就是雨季在用的。
This is liquid copper.
Yeah, liquid copper.
This is liquid copper.
Yes.
Ano lang to, Chard?
它这个颜色的，
Pungguran o kaya ano nga?
它因为我有沾到水，所以它整个都凝固，不然它是粉状的。
Para pwede na rin sa sugat.
Opo,
She
fungicide
said
po yan.
this is for fungus is not so effective.
这不用常年用，
She
这只有
suggests
雨
another
季的时
Ah,
候
she
要用。
suggests she doesn't use this one as much.
No.
No, for fungus, it's not effective.
Ah,
But for
okay.
the wound,
For the wound.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
雨季在我才
Can you ask if she's using liquid smoke?
你有在用木醋液吗
有，
？Yes. 为什么
因为虫怕那个味道。
？Why? Because the insect is afraid of that smell.
Yeah.
它
They
会帮
thought
助
that
那
it's
个。
burning, 好像在火烧了。
对，然后它也可以帮助那个植株吸收那个辅料，它也可以帮那个
And it would
帮
help.
那个植株光合作用。
And it would help the plant absorb fertilizer.
Yeah. How often does she use liquid smoke?
你多少时间会用那个木醋液
木抽液哦，我大概每个礼拜都会用吧。
？Every week.
Every week.
Once
也是
a
用
week.
喷，用这样喷，还是喷在土
喷的，
？Just spray on the plant.
Leaves and also the ground.
上面下面都要用吗？喷
灌的话，我1个月只灌1次。
？Once a month on the ground.
Once a month on the
Yeah.
是用
ground.
这个。
Once a week.
Once a
And
week.
once a week on the leaves.
Okay, Chardo. Dami natin basura.
Ang dami palang kailangan liquid smoke.
Ayan.
Nakaka-excite sir. Kasi meron na naman sa atin.
Oo.
For liquid fertilizer.
Can I see?
可以看一下吗？后面。
一样啊，15啊。
Yeah. 15. But
Complete. What's the 2 and 50?
calcium.
氧化钾 calcium
Calcium, right,
Yeah,
right.
calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide.
Yeah, calcium oxide. Soluble calcium
oxide.
oxide.
That's the well.
High calcium parati sir. Kaya maganda yung kanyang trunk. 15 plus high calcium. Ang galing. Ayos.
This is for liquid fertilizer.
Yeah, yeah.
High
And
calcium.
you have to even 100%
Soluble.
soluble so they won't plug the drip.
The drip
Liquid fertilizer
This is what you use.
怎么用？就是接到你刚讲的
对，在那个管，然后我会开那个货车，然后我会载2吨水来。
哦，
哎，里面就会放我的木错液啦，我
真的啊
的易肥啦，或者我的药或什么的这样子。
不是，我说你刚刚不是用这个管？
对啊，对啊，然后那个有一个吸的啊，然后再从管子出来。
哪一个货车？刚刚你开的那一台？
不是那个太小了，待会去就看到3
它放
吨半
2吨
的
的。水呢？
所以你怎样开进去啊？
不是啊，
不用在这边就好了
它开在这边
然后呢
拉绳子啊。
它利
啊
利用那种
？The way she spray, she has a bigger truck where you put about 2 cubic of
我吃饭吃饭。
drive it here, and then the hose she goes inside.
Yeah.
A long hose.
Okay.
So the car doesn't go inside.
Oh, I see.
We don't need that wide space.
That's why they have.
Look at she's demoing.
That's why she has this pipe.
A very long long hose.
So you go around.
所以你这样走路过去了。
对啊
4个人管理3甲地。
这个喷头才2个人就好了。
So for this one, only 2 workers, including her.
What time the
什么时间要喷啊？
要吗？
不对，就是要哦。
哎，像
早上还是傍晚
早上要
Morning
早上
morning?
？Morning.
因为有一些药它
好
不太高会伤害叶子，所以我会选择早上。
每天早上
7点、6点、5点还是
现在喷药比较少了，现在雨季过了，现在大概1个月喷1次就好了。
哦，
什么时间？
早上，
几点
早上几点
哎，冬天的话我们7点做到11点，
？During winter 7 to 11. 夏天呢
夏天的话5点半。
？On the summer 5:30.
very early.
Yeah, earlier.
因为太
What kind of protection does she use?
你要穿什么防身防腐的吗？只有口罩跟帘。怎么看？
Last question. Kailan siya pwedeng pumunta sa Pilipinas, sir?
最后一个问题了，他说真的最后一个问题了，可以吗？你什么时候可以来菲律宾？
什么时候吗？机票买了。什么时候？比较有空的时候吗？
When she has time. Sorry, you're not handsome enough.
你大概什么时候会比较有
我说
空啊
你比较有空的时候，因为他不够帅啊
的。时候啊，
对，那大约是什么
10
时间？
月到1月现在是最不忙。
哦，现在最不忙。哎，刘婶，现在最不忙。
This time she's not that
过完
busy.
年
So 他不够帅，这个够帅吗
This time she's not busy. So this comes next week.
？OK，什么 ？I love him.
病虫害会替补。
Gumagamit ng forklift, 2, 3, 4.
Stop dito ka.
种枣子的，
这边枣子好吃吗？这边的
因为 net house
跟高速跟高速
它当然
哎
都是比较好吃。
哦，真的哈。
BATES bait，就 like green。哦。一人1颗吗？
还可以啊，
第一下，等下
不过这个是比较
这个是
丑的啦，
没关系啊，
这比较丑，
反正可以
因为这是
吃就好了啊。
这个是我卖给那个打果汁的，所以这是比较丑 NG 的枣子。
方便去洗手间吗？
可以，这里，
我这个
这个就是
不CR，over there 啊。
它那个有开灯的。这个
他是吃木瓜还是木瓜牛奶还是吃甘蔗汁？
看你们要吃木瓜，吃看看我们这
啊，木
边的
瓜可以啊
口感不一
We
样。
we try the papaya.
Sir, does she sell this in the local market?
This one goes to the people who's doing papaya shake because it's ripe already.
Okay.
This one doesn't go to the supermarket.
吃看看，来，
这个是台农2号。
对，全部都台农2号。
These are all Tai Long number 2.
我切给你吃，
台农
找位置坐，找位置坐。
We just sit anywhere.
我都是这样子的。
Oo nga.
所以跟你们的应该不一样，
什么不一样？
跟你们的口感还有颜色应该不太一样
To
啊。
ask if there was ever a time she planted Red Lady.
他说以前你有种过红飞吗？
没有没有，
你的
因为我们这边都是网式的，没有人在种红飞，
Because
没有
on
人
the
要
net
收啊
house nobody put red
没有
lady
市场，
and
没有人
there's
要
no
吃。
market.
Ah, okay. Walang market dito.
台湾还有人在种红飞吗？
有
还是有啊？
有，可是大部分都是种在自己家门口一颗两颗吧。
对那个在那个当然就不会做好事啊。
对啊，那个不是这种，因为那个不是当做行业来做。
哎，你好，打搅啦，Mother 呢？
Good morning.
拍谁来给你交叉？
袂啦，真间所在啦。真间足水。
Mother，
哈？
我们是菲律宾来的。
好食。
是你亲妈妈吗？
亲妈妈，
不是啦，不是亲的，
不要讲，我
见的啦。
是讲
除了是亲妈妈还是丈母娘，还是什么？叫你啥？
大哥啦。
你是我妈妈。
亲妈妈，娘家的妈妈。
就厉害，没有，他是你当这家做好喝，因爸爸
Hey, brother.
吼，
Match in your mouth.
食饭了顶袂肥啦，他们都是无啦。但行个是本来是大，本来较侪啦，有过还高。我们本来正要4、5百嘞，所以因为关联不是真的，当然就无效啊。那我也是我，没有，因为我把这个。
然后用背面，对，你有学到啊？
我有看到啊。
Ang galing, no? Na, sadya yung ano para makuha mo yung buto.
Ishiko.
No, sir. Okay na ako. Gusto mo, Sofia?
Pati texture niya iba eh. Pati amoy niya iba. Parang may pagka-melon.
May pagka what?
Parang may taste like melon, may similarity.
Nahiya ako, ma-discover ako. Yan yung si Ju.
Hindi, gusto ko lang
Wala, saling pusa lang ako dito. Ikaw naman, no? Mahihain ako.
Sir, gusto ko lang mag-thank you, sir, sa pag ano nyo sa makasama ako dito sa grupo. Dito sa tour.
What do you want to know?
No, I just want to say thank you, sir.
Oh, I just want to say thank you. No tip? My president taught me that I gotta get tip. Kasi siya, being a president, hindi siya binabayad, kaya inis na inis. Hindi, no. You are most welcome to join us. Kasi nung in-explain ni Paeng what is your caliber, okay? You're just not an ordinary Filipino.
Nags.
Next. Baka maging next Philippine president na to.
President.
Anyway, ano pa?
Oh, madaming learning, sir, dito sa trip na to.
You know what? Hindi ako farmer eh. Okay? Even in my own industry, every time there's a trip, we would take a chance to go because never ending talaga. Technology, science and technology never stop. No.
Ayan. So, Sir Nelson Yao.
Hello.
At ang galing ng interpreter natin. Naiintindihan natin talaga yung sinasabi nila.
Alam mo, Ju, after I saw Yins was doing those video, pag-uwi ko, kaya pala pagod na pagod ako because my brain has to work
Twice.
Chinese and English niya. Haya ma?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We have to interview him.
Oo. Sir Job, konti lang ha, konti. Dahil mag-iwa-hiwalay na tayo in a few minutes. Sir, kumusta po? Sir Job.
Okay naman, itong Taiwan trip is has opened our mind in the technology and sa kagaya na sinabi ni Nelson, has opened our mind to a very very large possibility of farming and hopefully we can bring this back to the Philippines. Yun yung actually yung aim namin. Aim ng Blue Agri.
Blue Agri.
Yeah,
ito yung corporation ninyo, sir.
Yes, oo. Na ma-bring namin yung science and technology. We can grow plants with more yields. And syempre, business to eh. So we need also to earn while imparting knowledge to
Anong
small
scale ba?
farmers.
Anong scale yung tinitingnan ninyo na gagawin ng Blue Agri?
Actually, marami. Meron kaming 3 objectives. Number 1, we are thinking about composting. We are looking at equipments to bring in the Philippines. Number 2 is production of crops.
Okay.
Right now, we are doing red lady papaya and ginger.
And ginger.
Pag nagpunta ka ng ng farm namin, makikita mo yon. And third is the trading and marketing of agricultural products. Also to help the farmer earn more.
So, malaki yung nakikita yung potential, sir.
Actually, ang farming ay parang never ending ang potential nito eh.
Okay.
Ngayon ko lang din nalaman kasi nung bata pa ako, nagtatanim ako ng pero not in this scale, not in this maganda yung
Anong advantage ng Blue Agri? Bakit nakikita nyo yung ganong kalaking potential over others?
ang Blue Agri kasi composed of a lot of talents eh. Nandito yung aming scientific farmer, si Mr. Rafael Natividad, si Paeng, you know very well. Ako naman, I'm into marketing. Sales and marketing. So, yung experience ko sa corporate, pwede kong ibahagi sa kanila in so far as marketing our products is concerned. Number 3, meron kaming mga businessmen and economists.
Okay.
Nelson Yao, napakagaling sa math, napakagaling sa numero. Alam mo naman, nakikita mo siya. And Rosano, it's very, very bright in so far as economics is concerned. And Rafi has also developed his own farm. So, alam mo, maganda yung samahan, maganda yung combination. Malaki yung potential. Malaki yung potential na nakikita ko dito sa grupo namin. And hopefully, mabisita mo kami doon
Opo, syempre.
Ayun.
Dahil sa Blue Agri, nakapunta tayo ng Taiwan. Sir Job, thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Apo.
Sir Buddy.
Apo.
More power. Agribusiness.
Sir, saglit lang. Si Sir Rafi Latorre. Sir, anong masasabi mo dito sa trip natin?
Very educational. Grabe yung agriculture dito sa Taiwan compared sa atin sa Philippines. Yung support ng government nila is very extensive to the point na pati yung mga fertilizers binibigay nila. The development of the bacteria that helps the papayas and all the plants here is very well advanced compared to us. Sana kung hindi natin madala sa atin yung development nila is makadevelop din tayo for our own use.
May nakita ka ba na ginagawa dito na pwedeng gawin sa Pilipinas?
I think all their management can be adapted.
Pwede, no?
Oo. Ang ano lang natin is kung paano natin i-refine sa soil natin, soil condition and weather natin. Pero the shed house, their way of planting, basically same thing eh. Kasi it's the composition of the plant naman. Same eh. Ayun.
Okay.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Ay, kailangan kong mapuntahan yung farm mo rin, sir, ha?
Oo, papasyal tayo. Oo, makita mo yung mga tanim natin doon.
Yeah.
Tapos kung paano natin dahan-dahan iaayos ulit. Kasi i-apply natin yung iba nating natutunan dito. Oo.
Alright.
Okay.
Sir Paeng, game, closing na tayo dito. Ito. Ayan, si Sir Paeng Natividad.
Akala ko ako.
Ayan, sinong hindi nakakakilala kay Sir Paeng Natividad? Okay, sir. Unang-una, thank you dahil sa inyo, sa grupo ninyo at sa iyo ay nakarating din kami ng Taiwan. Sir, kumusta yung kung i-wrap up natin lahat ng natutunan natin dito? Overwhelming, no? Dami-dami, sobra. Paano mo i-wrap up yan?
I think yun ang nakita natin, sir eh. One thing in common with all the people we talk with, they're experts at what they're planting. May science that's into it, and it's the careers that they're talagang yun ang ginagawa. And you'd be surprised, sir. Papaya lang tanim niya. Talong lang ang tanim niya.
Pag apple custard.
Yeah, apple custard. Because I think there's the solution to where to sell it. Nandun na, sir eh. Hindi na nila problema eh. There's a fluctuation in price, but because they are solid as producers, nakokontrol nila na hindi bumababa sa level na lugi ang farmer.
Never nalulugi yung farmer.
Yeah.
Sir, yung anong masasabi mo doon sa kabaliktaran, no? Doon sa Philippines, lagi natin naririnig, dapat economy of scale, dapat palakihan ng farm para kumita ka. But dito, it's the reverse.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Paliitan ng farm, pero paproduktiban ng farm.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ayun nga sir, doon ako natuwa kasi na-validate yung tinuturo namin ni Richard sa school. You don't need as big a population ng plants, but you need the right amount ng size, then you get all the yields that you can. Mas madali ang management. It's all about management pa rin sir eh. Then, tapos tingnan nyo sir, even their shade houses, lahat ng pinuntahan natin, naka-modular eh. Parang modular farming ang ginagawa nila eh. Maliliit, pero yields sobrang taas.
Anong masasabi mo doon sa, okay, gumagawa ka ng net house mo. Nakagawa ka ng net house mo ng blinag natin. I'm impressed, diba? Ang naganda. At may mga nakita tayo dito. Ano ang tingin mo you need to improve?
Marami sir.
Aha.
Marami. But the beauty is we're there.
Yeah.
We're there already. So now I think this is the purpose of the trip eh. To see how to further improve. To see the technologies that they are using
Yeah.
and how we can adapt it to our own system.
During our last vlog, sabi mo, you're thinking na i-shade net
Yes.
ang papaya.
Yes, yes.
At nakita natin dito, walang nagpapapaya at hindi naka-shade net.
Yes, exactly. So I think we're moving towards there. Investment-wise, we have to see if it's viable for us, pero mukhang kaya naman. Tapos na-validate din sir yung size. Sa kanilang per shade house is between 2,000 to 5,000 square meters. The last one we went to, sabi niya 2,000 is the ideal.
Para daw mas strong doon sa wind.
Kita nyo sir, 7 years na yung papaya.
Okay, ano masasabi mo doon na ang papaya pala ay abot ng 6 to 7 years?
Yun nga eh.
6 years productive. Sa
Yeah,
atin,
yeah.
ilan? 1 year? 1 and a half?
1.5 years.
Yung 1.5 year, doon pa lang sila magbibed.
Yeah. Kung nagbibend.
Kung nagbibed,
Sa
wala
atin nga
nga
eh,
magbibed.
hindi na tayo, hindi
Sa
na
atin,
tayo.
obsessed tayo. Dapat nakatayo. Pag gumanyan lang konti.
Puputulin.
Oo.
Ang galing yung technology nila sir is dahil sabi nga nila mahal ang space, mahal ang labor. So I think these technologies were developed out of necessity of their situation. Isipin nyo sir, ang minimum wage nila is 50,400.
That's sobrang laki yan. Hindi natin kakayanin yan.
Just for a farmer sir that's 50,400 pesos. So, very keen sila on technologies on how to lower their labor cost. Yung pinuntahan nating farm na huli, sir, 3 hectares,
Apat lang sila.
apat. Senior citizen pa yung dalawa.
Oo. Siya pa may-ari.
Siya
yung
pang
pang-apat.
may-ari, tapos sister-in-law niya.
Oo.
So, silang apat. But you see, sir, their facility. Sir, may Porsche food doon.
Oo nga eh. Oo.
They in our country, it seems like a dirty job. Sa kanila, it's glamorous eh.
Yeah. Big time.
Pati you have respect for yourself. Pag nagturo sila,
Oo.
talagang they're happy to teach what they have learned and what they know because I am an expert of it.
Yeah.
Yun ang I think that's the difference natin sa kanila.
Yeah. May 3 papaya farms tayong pinuntahan. The first one, I think sobrang obsessed siya doon sa technology. Lahat na may sasakyan, papasok doon sa farm. Even the water, kailangan soft water.
Heavily filtered.
Heavily filtered. No? Ganun siya katindi. The second, na scientist somehow, very scientific siya at dinemo niya sa atin yung paano mag-twist ng papaya.
Pati siya sir kasi don't get me wrong, yung pinuntahan nating pangalawa sir, yung ginagawa niya, that's for experiment.
Okay.
Hindi yun yung for production.
Production niya. Okay.
Kasi ang primary na pinagkakakita niya, he's producing seeds for Syngenta already.
Yeah. Oo, di ba?
Na ibibenta for export.
For export. Dadalhin sa Holland, babalik ng Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Siya, nakausap natin siya mismo at nagturo siya sa atin. Di ba? And eto ngayon, yung third, di ba? Iba rin, no? Dito tayo nagulat na kahit 1.5 year ay pwede mo po palang i-bend. Di ba? Kasi sa atin, kung sa atin yan, masasaktan ka, no? Susugatan mo yung papaya mo.
Pati pero makita nyo, sir, the 3 of them, they're all earning.
Yeah, lahat sila.
Whatever techniques that they were using, they are all Not just earnings. Sir, kita nyo naman. Kita nyo naman. Yun ang ano sa atin eh. Sana we consolidate as papaya farmers. We share our technologies. We share then we create an industry.
Okay, given this, ano ang ngayon ang mangyayari sa farm mo sa Blue
Blue Agri.
Blue Agri. Anong gagawin nyo?
I think sa amin, sir, ang nakita namin looking at here is how to bring their system. Not just the system of farming, but the system nila as groups of farmers. We should share technologies, we should share protocols, and we should be accountable to our yields din, sir. Tulungan tayo on all levels. Parang yung pinuntahan natin sa Atimoya, sir.
Yeah.
5,000 hectares worth of Atimoya. Isa ang bumibili.
Ilang kilometers sa conference?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers ano siya, no?
O, around, sabi niya nga,
no?
around 5,000 hectares.
Yeah.
Ang kanyang... Then, they are farmers and they are also consolidators. I think yun ang kailangan natin, sir. It has to be fully integrated system. Para we could control our inputs, we could control our selling price, we could control our yields. But we have to be in one boat.
Yeah.
Ang problema sa atin, sir, pag nagko-kooperatiba tayo, nagsasamaan ng loob eh. We are so, the crab mentality that we have is, it's saddening for us.
Siguro rather than, well, wala namang masama sa cooperative, but rather than puro cooperative yung thinking, dapat it must be a corporate.
Yeah, a corporate cooperative.
Corporate talaga.
It has to be a business.
Business.
Yun, sir, talaga. Negosyo siya talaga, sir. Negosyo talaga ang ano natin. Bottom line, tama kayo, sir.
So saan tayo pupunta, sir? Export? O papaya?
No, not yet. We're far from there. I think we should fix our systems muna. We should consolidate as groups. I think for the students that we're going to get, find a system wherein tulungan lahat. Look for crops na po pwedeng, we will teach you the protocols, we will teach you the yields and all, and at the end of the day, baka kayanin namin, kami na rin ang bumili ng produkto. Because yung pa rin ang main problem natin eh. Saan ibibenta eh?
Saan ibibenta?
Yeah.
Matagal na problema yan. Kasi walang gumagawa. And right now, you and your group, yung Blue Agri, is doing something
God
for once
willing,
and for
sir.
all,
God willing,
maayos
sir.
to.
God willing. Sana maayos.
Sir, so ang training mo ulit will be on
February 16 to
16 to 18, but unfortunately, it's closed.
It's close already. It's close.
So, kailan ang next batch?
We're looking at September.
At September. Medyo matagal-tagal.
But depende sa usapan namin ni Richard, baka as early as June we start.
Baka pwede.
Baka po pwede.
Ayan.
Baka po pwede. Kasi nga, sir, sabi ko sa inyo, once you graduate from our school, we still help you eh. We are still with you hanggang walang bitawan. Gano. So, para hindi ma-dissipate yung aming concentration sa kung masyadong marami, tulungan muna namin tong mga magiging new graduates po natin. Then, let's take it a farm at a time.
Yeah.
A farm
And
at a time.
si Sir Paing pumayag na, one of the speakers sa ating first Agribusiness sa Wheatworks Summit. Yeah. Thank you, Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sinabi sa akin.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo.
Ano yung nagulat? Pumayag na pala ako. Ayos, sir. Siyempre.
Yeah.
Ako sa amin, sir, in our behalf of Blue, in Blue Hiraya, we are so happy to be with you. And this is the first of many. For every trip that na aalis kami, sir, that we think na we could help our industry, the agricultural industry, we will always invite you.
Yeah,
We will always
So abangan niyo po yan tuwing lalabas tayo ng bansa ay hindi para inggitin ang Pilipino but para magkaroon ng makita ng lahat na talagang pwede naman nating improve yung ating agriculture sa Philippines.
Exactly. Again, Ma'am Cathy, Sofia, thank you for spending your few days with us. Yung tawanan natin, sir.
Oo. Nasubo mo ako
Sulit.
kagabi.
Pati ka mabugbog si sir.
Okay, so yun, ready na kami going to Taipei. Pasyal-pasyal na.
Thank you again, sir.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Korean. Everybody.
Korean.
Introduce Richard.
Ayun, Chard, dali ka rito, Chard. Chard, Chard, okay. Si Richard.
Kasi lalabas
ang farm manager ng Hiraya.
Yan, introduction lang.
Oo.
Saka Woputong.
Oh, anong masasabi mo, Chard? Binigyan ka maraming trabaho?
Okay lang po. Medyo pagbalik na ng Pinas.
Nandito tayo sa loob ng Pintong Biotech Park. Yung sila ay gumagawa ng mga bioorganic. Ano, sir? Ginagawa nila dito?
New technologies in agriculture, trying to turn it to commercial use.
So for commercial use na. Yung mga from research na test na yon and then ready for commercialization. Ay, actually commercialization na.
Opo.
Production na talaga ng like anong mga products.
Parang siya sir yung Silicon Valley ng agriculture nila.
Ayan. Yan. Ayan, Agricultural Technology Park. Ministry of Agriculture. Kumbaga, ito yung DA, part ng DA.
Parang ganun sir.
Wala tayong ganito.
Ay, yung UPLB dapat.
Dapat, yung UPLB dapat. Dapat. Na may technology sila.
We have all the dots already. It's just connecting them eh. Yun na lang kulang natin sir eh. Kasi demand, industry has demand. In terms of planting, nandiyan yung planting, the science is there. Yung ganun-ganun mo na lang lahat eh. Yun na lang
May
talaga.
market din naman, kung tutuusin.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ganda.
Hello.
So talagang ang agriculture ng Taiwan andito sa Pintong.
Southern ano talaga ang main ano nila sir. But there are other farms north and eastward. Pero south dahil po rin for the climate.
Ito yung medyo mas mainit konti.
Opo.
ATP, Agricultural Technology Park.
Pati makikita niyo sir, it's an old facility. Ibig sabihin, matagal nang in place.
Matagal lang andito.
Opo.
Magpo-farm na ako ng guwaba na 1,000 square meters.
Oo nga sir. Intensive ano?
Radical pruning.
Gusto mo isang rice o gusto mo isang rice o bahaw lang? Bahaw lang.
Half lang.
Okay, I'll join you. I'll join you.
Ay, okay. Ano po nag-update na kasi? Ano yung motor?
Then we have to look for HSR.
So, makinig ka. Itong Taiwan tour natin ay sobrang naging productive. Ito po ay organized ng private group, no? Pinangungunahan ng Blue Agri. At gusto kong pasalamatan sila. Bago sila, gusto kong muna pasalamatan ang Taiwanese na nag-coordinate ng lahat ng pupuntahan natin, si Mr. Joseph Young. Sa mga Blue Agri members, unang-una dyan, si Mr. Nelson Yao na instant naging interpreter na napakagaling. Naintindihan natin lahat ng usapan dahil yan kay Mr. Nelson Yao. Gusto nating pasalamatan ang iba pang members ng Blue Agri, si Sir Rosano Go, si Sir Joe Vinas, Benoit Perry, si Richard Obiedo, Paeng Natividad, at syempre ang president ng Blue Agri, si Mr. Rafi Latorre. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.